You know who's the master of your mind? You are the master of your mind. Get up and go to the gym. Be healthy. Don't live with regret. Nothing's worse than living in regret of what you could have been and what you can become. At least that's what I tell myself every day. So here I am, 10 o'clock at night, walking into the gym on a Saturday night. Why? Because I gotta be the one that believes in myself. Ain't nobody else gonna do it for me. Do 10% more today than what you did yesterday. And the 10% could be just getting off that couch. Put your shoes on, go for a walk, go in the gym, pick stuff up, put it back down. Just get in there. Doesn't matter what you do. Just get a little active. You gotta be the one that believes in yourself the most. Like and subscribe.